The 2025 Audi A7 will likely be the last edition of the present layout, which debuted in 2019 and received a renovation for 2024. We expect a totally brand new A7, potentially with plug-in hybrid power, to get here for the 2026 design year. Audi's A6 versions will supposedly transfer to the A7 line during that time. With its substitute in the wings, the 2025 A7 will probably proceed unchanged. The midsize, coupe-styled four-door offers adequate seating for 5 and hatchback versatility. Regardless of its sedan-like look, the A7 can deal with approximately 50 cubic feet of freight, making it as functional as some smaller-sized SUVs. Every version brings a 10.1-inch touchscreen, leather upholstery, a breathtaking sunroof, and four-wheel drive. The high-performance S7 version is covered in a separate entry. The A7 runs with a twin-turbocharged 3.0-liter V6 engine that generates 335 horsepower and 369 lb-ft of torque. A 7-speed dual-clutch transmission and AWD complete the mechanical configuration. The A7 increases from absolutely no to 60 miles per hour in 5.1 seconds. We anticipate Audi to provide a total range of driver support modern technology on the A7. Standard functions currently consist of blind spot tracking, automated high beam of lights, vehicle parking sensors, and automated emergency braking. Upgrading to the mid-level Premium Plus trim brings surround view cameras, adaptive cruise ship control, and lane keeping assist. The line-topping Eminence trim includes a head-up display and automated vehicle parking. We expect little rate movement for the present A7's final year. The 2024 model's MSRP starts at $72,295, consisting of destination and climbs to $80,845 for the Prestige trim. A little inflationary increase is most likely.